This is dedicated to you, you, and you. So you wanna spread a lot of talk about my city, Milwaukee, huh? All that talk about Laverne and Shirley, Happy Days, all that bullshit. What the fuck you think, ain't no niggas in? Well, I got something for you, motherfuckers. I got something for you, motherfuckers.
That shit you see in the hood. Only in the hood. Only in the hood.
Do it.
God.
It's Milwaukee, Wisconsin, stomping over the game of rap. Got lil pimping us, but dominant had the aim and strap. This where the thugs stay and drugs lay. Money hungry, hoes better pack your shit and turn some tricks, and we won't budge back. We play the game to the last quota. If money drop like the spot, then you can't leave to that last boulder. We getting older and wiser, rising with a vengeance, putting away them lacks and coming back, sliding in them Benzes. We blow it up like the world trade. Half of the scratch we pack come from rapping, the rest all your girl made. So we gon' see you at the top, waving, hanging up by the drop. Y'all bumping one of my songs that got the game on lock. Top of the charts with this harder rap. It's Cuckoo Cow Chow, represent Milwaukee where I started at. Whoever thought of that? Us bubbling up like champagne, riding through your city on them things, nigga. For real.
What you heard, Milwaukee County till they down me. Do it the deaf Midwest, you know how my town be, niggas. Big pimpin', riding 20 inches, twerking an excursion, working them 36s. Pimps up, hoes down, Kenny, Ivy. All the niggas be shiest hoes, greasy, grimy. Love my city, these streets remind me. All the days I used to hustle with the D's behind me. Hello, niggas still ghetto, still claim gangs. Still Jerry curled up, still slang cane. Milwaukee County niggas here now, shit gon' change. We the last niggas to get in this game. Holla.
I must admit, I am impressed. I don't know who did this, like MacGyver? They didn't leave them on blocks, they left them on bricks. It's too early in the morning for this.
You know, just chilling outside the car.